If you come down to yahoo.com, go to the finance and then go to screeners and then go to equity screener. And then these are the screeners. The way yahoo.com finance works is you would come in and you would add a filter. And then you would look for these items here on the right, find them, which I already did to kind of save some time. But you would find them, you would enter them, and then you would put in the data. So in this case, let's say if none of this was available, we're going to come in here and we're going to say add another filter. These two, I believe, are premium. You probably have to pay for it. Don't know if you really need it at this point. But we're going to try to find all these items that are on the stock screen criteria and enter them here. Okay, there's a whole bunch of other ones and you can kind of pick and choose as you go. But if you're just starting out, just stick to what I have on the right hand side and it'll give you a lump of stocks or securities that you can further do a deeper dive into. So we have LT, long-term debt over equity, and you also have total debt over equity as well. We have current ratio, market cap, we talked about market cap, trailing PE, price to book, earning per share, growth percentage. The growth rate here, you can actually calculate it so many different ways, but we're just going, this is one of the options that Yahoo has, so we're just going to put that. Some of the other screeners may have other option and not this one, which is going to yield a little bit of a different results, but just don't worry about all the fine tune. You're just trying again to get something on the screens that you can do more research on, okay? And then the return on equity, and you can go ahead and add other ones if you know what they mean and you're interested in having those be the criteria. Once you click on close, then again market cap, here we have a market cap of greater than 100 million, right? So we want it between 0 and 1. Price to book, we wanted it to be 0.5 to 1.5. Current ratio, wanted to be higher than 1.5, greater than 1.5. Return on equity, which is right here, I want it greater than 5, greater than 5. And then earning per share growth, we want it to be greater than 10%. So once I do that, I get a results of 243 stocks that I can look at and I can go into further research.